Far from here there is a seed unlike any you have ever seen before. It rests at the very same tree I came from. You must find it and bring it back here. You must be careful. There is an evil there that guards the seed. You mustn't linger while you're there. Be quick and unseen. If it is awoken, you will not return.
I've got the seed, Thomas. It's going to fix everything.